very glad to see in another video. In this video, let me show you how to fix a lagging problem in our PC. First of all, how many of you facing this problem? Don't worry guys, after watching this video, never hanging problem comes again in lifetime. Fix and very easily. I hope this video is very useful to you. Don't waste time, let's get started.
Software link will attach in the description box. Just click and download it. After installation, open the software. If you see that physical memory usage is 57%. Available RAM 1.49 GBs. In my PC using the 4 GB RAM card, but the available RAM is 1.49. How to increase that? It's a very simple step. Some softwares are running in background, so it takes 58%. How to stop the background softwares? Simply click on clear memory. Yes. Then again click wow, do you see that? The usage only 31%. The available RAM is 2.34 GB. It's awesome. More than 1 GB will be reduced. 32% usage is computer inbuilt software, so it cannot stop it. But another third party softwares are removed. So if you see 2.33 GB available, your PC will be boostable. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. It's very helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and click
to my channel.
bell icon and also share your friends. Thank you guys.